A group of BJP legislators and MPs from Bengaluru, led by State BJP President B.Y. Vijayendra and Leader of Opposition R. Ashoka, met Chief Minister Siddaramaiah on February 28th, demanding increased funds for the city's development in the upcoming state budget, which will be presented on March 7th. The delegation proposed an allocation of 150 crore rupees per assembly constituency and urged the government to reconsider the recent metro fare hike. They also emphasized the need for dedicated funds for first-time MLAs and demanded that the long overdue Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike elections be conducted without further delay. Vijayendra criticized the Congress government for failing to allocate substantial funds for Bengaluru's development, pointing out that when BJP's B.S. Yediyurappa and Baswaraj Bommai were chief ministers, BBMP received annual allocations ranging between 6,000 to 8,000 crore rupees. He called for the restoration of similar funding. Infrastructure development was another key issue raised by the BJP leaders, who stressed the urgency of completing pending projects like flyovers and ensuring that financial support is fairly distributed across all constituencies, regardless of political affiliation. Bengaluru MPs PC Mohan and Tejasvi Surya also pressed the CM to intervene and roll back the metro fare hike, accusing the Congress government of stalling the city's progress over the past 2 years. Ashoka called for balanced and transparent fund allocation. The BJP delegation strongly opposed the postponement of BBMP elections under the guise of creating a Greater Bengaluru Authority, insisting that elections must be held at the earliest. While Vijayendra acknowledged discussions on restructuring BBMP into multiple corporations, he maintained that this should not be a reason to delay the polls.